Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as you all know, in last video we have completed till unit number 10 solutions, and in this video we are going to proceed with our unit number 11 of Words and Expression book class 9th. So, without taking your time, let's begin with first part, that is reading comprehension. Read the following text and answer the questions that follow. That is interview with the detective. In this passage, an interview is given, and there will be two characters. One will be interviewer and one will be detective. So let's begin. So here we are having questions of text 1 on 154 page. Let's continue with first question, that is, what is the profession of the person who being interviewed? Who is interviewed here is detective, who is being interviewed by interviewer. So answer of this question is profession. We are going to write profession of the person who is being interviewed. He is a detective. He is a detective, a private investigator. Okay. So here we are having answer of first question, that is, he is a detective who is a private investigator. Okay. Next is complete the following sentence. As soon as detective entered the room, he examined. A is examined the place carefully. B vague was vague and uncertain. C he knew that he was doing. He knew what he was doing. Sorry. D got ready for the interview. So correct option is A1, that is examine the place carefully. Okay, so A1 is the correct option, and you are going to write your answer in the given place, that is here. Okay, next one is, which of the following was not a part of the job of the detective? A to wander about, B to find lost people, C to carry guns, D to keep a watch. Correct option is, just let me change color. Correct option is C, that is to carry guns. Okay, C option is correct. That is, to carry guns was not a part of the job of the detective. Okay, wait, let me erase this, then it will be properly visible to you. Yeah, so second का आएगा A1, that is examine the place carefully, and C third का आएगा C to carry guns. Next one is, let me read question. According to the detective, there are some qualities that are essential in his profession. What are these and why they are essential? मतलब डिटेक्टिव के अकॉर्डिंग जब वो इंटरव्यू दे रहा था, वो कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो essential हैं, which are essential in his profession, and वो कौन सी qualities हैं and वो essential क्यों हैं. So let's write, according to the detective, the following are some qualities that are essential in his profession. A1 is, or you're going to write first one, that is being watchful and attentive. Being watchful and attentive every moment of time. Second one is patience. Third one is ability to plan things. Fourth one is gathering all the relating things of the case. Fifth one is helping attitude. helping attitude. अब इसे सही करते हैं हम. So here we are having answer. That is, according to detective, the following are some qualities that are essential in his profession. First one is that being watchful and attentive every moment of time. Second is patience. Third is ability to plan things. Okay. And fourth one is gathering all the relating things of the case. And last one is helping attitude. Okay. So I think आपने note कर ही लिया होगा. Yeah. So with this, our 4 questions are finished. Let's continue with 5th and 6th question of text 1. Next 5th, 6th question are on 155 page of text 1. 5th question is, what information should the PI have in order to locate someone? Okay. So information required for PI to locate someone is that the PI should have the following in order to locate someone. First one is name with exact spelling. Second one is date of birth. Third one is social security number. Fourth and last one is last known official address where she has lived within the past 15 years. Okay, so answer of this question is the PI should have the following in order to locate someone. First one is name with exact spelling. Second is date of birth. Third is social security number. Fourth is last known official address where she has lived within the past 15 years. So with this, our 5th question is also completed. Next is 6th question. That is, in the sentence given below, the word aviators means sunglasses. Now choose the appropriate meaning of the underlined word from the options given. Under the century of his aviators, his eyes scanned the room. A option is shelter, B is shade, C is hideout, D is refuge. So A option is correct, that is shelter. Okay, let me rub this, which will be helpful for you. Yeah, so A option is correct, that is shelter. So with this, we are completed with 6 questions of text 1. Next is text 2, that is read the passage and answer the questions that follow. So here passage is given, we have to read the same and answer the questions that are on next page. So let's begin. So guys, here we are having questions of text 2 on 156 page. First is, who among the following is not a detective? A option Omkesh Bakshi, B is Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay, C is Hercule Poirot, D is Sherlock Holmes. So correct option is B, that is Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay. Correct option is B. Okay. Second is Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay is known for his A. Short stories and novels. B, poems and songs. C, historical fiction. D, all of the above. So correct option is D, that is all of the above, which involves these 3A, B, C. Okay. So here we are having answers of first two MCQs, that is B option and D option. Okay. Next we are having true false that state whether true or false. A is Omkesh is a truth seeker. True. Just a wait, let me change color. True. T for true and F for false. B, Omkesh is a detective like Hercule Poirot and Sherlock Holmes. False. False. Just a second. True. True. False. Omkesh is concerned with truth rather than with the law. True. ओमकेश फॉलो लॉ टू सॉल्व हिज केसेस. अब देखो ये इसके ऑपोजिट है, तो ये क्या होगा? फॉल्स. क्या वो लॉ फॉलो करता है? नहीं, वो किससे कंसर्न करता था? सीधा ट्रूथ से. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ट्रू, फॉल्स, ट्रू, फॉल्स. ओके. So next we are having question, that is what is the role of Ajit in Omkesh stories? So answer of this is, let me clean the page. Just a second, because it's confusing, right? So we are having question, what is role of Ajit in Omkesh stories? So role of Ajit in Omkesh stories. मैंने इसके साइज के पहले सेटिंग कर लूँ, नहीं तो फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो आप भी. या सो द रोल ऑफ Ajit in Omkesh stories is that of companion of Omkesh. B will be capital. Bakshi, his surname. In some stories, a capital. Ajit also investigates in the absence. Just a second, let me correct this word. Investigates. Yeah, what is happening? Ajit also investigates in the absence of Omkesh Bakshi. So with this we are having answer of fifth question. Yeah. The role of Ajit in Omkesh story is that of companion of Omkesh Bakshi. In some stories, Ajit also investigates in the absence of Omkesh Bakshi. Sixth is find the antonyms. Yeah. Find the antonyms of words given below. All of them are given in the text. If you are going to read this text, then you will very well came to know that what are answer of these questions as well as of these antonyms when we are going to write antonyms. So first start with first antonym. First antonym of natural is fictional. Okay. FICTIONAL. Next, antonym of fact. Antonym of fact will be fiction. Next, antonym of passively will be actively. So with this, our 156 page is also completed. Let's begin with 157 page solutions. So here we are having 157 page on which there are only 4 blanks of text too, and then the vocabulary part begins. So discontinued, that is D1, will be antonium will be continued. Next, presence, very simple, very absence, right? Yeah. Next, modern, traditional, antonium, traditional. Okay. Unconcerned, opposite word or antonium we can say will be concerned. अगर concerned होता तो unconcerned आ जाता इसका antonium. Yeah. So with this, guys, our text is completed. Let's begin with vocabulary part. First is, I think, matching. Yeah. The the following words and phrases occur in the passage. Try to guess the meaning. Match the words with their meaning. You may refer to dictionary later. Later on, you may refer. But now we are going to do matching. First is database. You're going to match database with third one. I'm gonna name this third, and this A B. Okay, A B C. This one is D. A B C D E F G, and last one is H. This first, second, third, fourth, fifth, सिक्स्थ. आई नो राइटिंग बकवास ही होती है स्क्रीन पे, बट आपको आई थिंक समझ आ रहा होगा. सेवन्थ एंड लास्ट वन एट्थ. या ए का आ जाएगा थर्ड. नेक्स्ट दैट इज डाटाबेस का थर्ड आ जाएगा. मैं ये सेंटेंस रीड नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी बन जाती है, विच इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू सी. बी का वायलेशन का आ जाएगा फर्स्ट. ओके. ए का थर्ड, बी का फर्स्ट, सी का फोर्थ, डी का आ जाएगा फिफ्थ, ई का दैट इज दिस वन, इसका आ जाएगा सेकंड. नेक्स्ट अब आगे कौन सा है? एफ का. एफ का आ जाएगा सेवन्थ. आई थिंक या सेवन्थ आएगा. नॉट थिंक, फॉर श्योर सेवन्थ आएगा. नेक्स्ट जी का आ जाएगा एट्थ, लास्ट वन. एंड नेक्स्ट लास्ट का जो कि है एट्थ का, जो कि है एच का, आ जाएगा दिस सिक्स्थ वन. ओके. सो हेयर वी आर हैविंग मैचिंग. ए का आ जाएगा थर्ड, आप मैच कर लो. ए का थर्ड, बी का फर्स्ट, सी का फोर्थ, डी का फिफ्थ, ई का सेकंड, एफ का सेवन्थ, जी का एट्थ, एच का सिक्स्थ. सो अगर आपको ना समझ आया हो तो मैंने बोल के बता ही दिया है. मान लो कोई गलती होगी ये इसे हमने वन ऐसे लिया है, इसे हमने ए बी सी लिया है. ओके. In second part is that the contextual meaning of century in the comprehension one is shared. The same word century is used in a variety of sentence given below. They have different meaning in different contexts. Refer to direct dictionary and write the meaning. हमें क्या करना है, जैसे कि पैसेज वन में हमने पढ़ा था सेंचुरी का मीनिंग शेड, तो ऐसे ही हर एक सेंटेंस में डिफरेंट मीनिंग है सेंचुरी का, हमें वो लिखना है. पहले बनीता's हाउस was a century for run away kids. इसका मीनिंग है सेफ प्लेस. इस लाइन में सेंचुरी का मीनिंग क्या है? सेफ प्लेस. ये मैंने पहले से लिख कर रखा था. नेक्स्ट इज 158 पेज नंबर B1 the refuse found century when they reached India. यहाँ पे सेंचुरी का क्या मीनिंग है गाइस? रिफ्यूज। एंड मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि मेरे आंसर्स हमेशा सही होंगे, आप कहीं से मर्जी देख लेना, ओके? मतलब गलत एक भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत नहीं होगा कभी भी, इट्स माई गारंटी, ओके? एंड नेक्स्ट सी, the century contains the altar of sacrifice. Here century means a natural reserve. मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है कहीं पे कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो सकती है, बट आंसर नहीं कभी गलत होंगे, है ना? लाइक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक तो हो ही जाती है कभी कभी टाइपिंग में, बिकॉज पूरी यूनिट होती है वो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होती है वीडियो बनानी. Next, G1 is I found a century in the cave to save myself from storm. Here century mean safe house or place. Next is E1. In this, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is protected area for tigers. Here it is reserve park. They are talking about reserve park and इन्होंने यहाँ पे word use किया है sanctuary. Okay, so with this our second part is also completed. Next is third part. Use the following pair of opposite in sentence. One has been done for you. इन्होंने एक डन किया है जिससे हमें आइडिया मिल जाएगा. मतलब दो ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स ये हैं, हमें उन्हें सेंटेंस में जोड़ना है और कोई अट्रैक्टिव सा सेंटेंस बनाना है ना? जैसे ये देखो, लॉस और गेन है. यू हैव नथिंग टू लॉस बट व्हाट हैव यू टू गेन. अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ गंवाने के लिए नहीं है तो तुम्हारे पास कुछ लेने के लिए भी नहीं है फिर. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग है पार्ट. सो लेट्स सी. ओके, फर्स्ट इज हॉट कोल्ड. यूज करना है. देखो, डोंट सिप हॉट coffee after drinking cold water. ये मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको मेरे वाले लिखने हैं, आप अपने वाले भी लिख सकते हो अगर आप मतलब कोई बनाते हो अपनी तरफ से. दिस पार्ट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग सेकंड, दैट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल अगली. वेरी इजी है ये, बहुत इजी है, वेरी इजी. लाइक यू कैन टेक any name. For example, Seema is beautiful but her cousin is ugly. I think इसे ugly कहते हैं ना शायद. Next is smart foolish. Like you are going to write smart children rather than the foolish ones are liked by all. या आप ये वेट, मुझे पहले इसका साइज स्मॉल करने दो, अदरवाइज इट विल बी कंफ्यूजिंग. ओके, ये भी आप लिख सकते हो, मैंने 2 सेंटेंस बता देती हूँ. और यू कैन राइट स्मार्ट चिल्ड्रन आर लाइक्ड बाय ऑल बट नॉट द foolish ones. वही है, बस उसे थोड़ा सा पहले वाले में घुमा के लिखा हुआ था. डी, लोनली बिजी. लोनली अकेला, बिजी मतलब किसी के साथ वी कैन से दैट, बट मुझे यहाँ पे मीनिंग सूटेबल नहीं, चलो जो भी है। इसका बनेगा द रोड इज़ लोनली। लोनली मतलब उस पर कोई आ जा नहीं रहा। एक बार हम सेंटेंस करते हैं फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी। वेयर आर कॉलोनी रोड इज बिजी। हाँ ये सही है। देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे ही मतलब है, लोनली मतलब वो खाली पड़ा है पूरा, मतलब कोई आ जा नहीं रहा। बिजी मतलब बहुत आते जाते, मतलब पूरा भरा हुआ है ना। आपको समझ आ गया यहाँ पे इन दो एंटोनियम्स का मीनिंग। E1 नेक्स्ट, ग्रेट बड़ा, लिटल छोटा, बाकी सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग मीनिंग चेंज हो जाते हैं। My brother has a great interest. My brother has a great interest in cinema, but I have little. Next one is live and die. That is last one, I think. Yeah. We live to die one day. Next, we are having grammar part. An affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentence without changing the meaning of the original sentence. Look the example given below. So they are talking about this example that is given below, that is, I know all the answers, there are no answers that I don't know. मतलब वही सेंटेंस को पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है, बट उसका मीनिंग भी नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए. So first we are having all the members liked the program. So if we are going to convert the same into negative sentence without changing the meaning, then we are going to write that all the members didn't dislike or did not dislike the program. Didn't dislike the program. You are going to write double M, yeah. Did not dislike the program. Okay, so here we are having solution of first one, as it is properly understandable that we have converted the same into negative without changing meaning. Next B, Amritsar is colder than Delhi. So correct into, when we are going to convert it into negative one, then it will be Delhi is not hotter than Amritsar. Amritsar. Yeah. Next is C. I am free to go places and do nothing. So we are going to write I am not free not to go places and do everything. This one sentence is correct. पूरा हमने यहाँ पे नॉट लगा के इधर हमने ऑपोजिट वर्ड कर दिया, तो मतलब नेगेटिव में भी कन्वर्ट कर दिया, मीनिंग भी नहीं चेंज हुआ. नेक्स्ट इज द फार्मर वॉज टू वीक टू वॉक. If we are going to convert the same into negative without changing meaning, then it will be the farmer was so weak that he couldn't walk. So here we are having solution of D1, that is the farmer was so weak that he could not walk, and the positive sentence was the farmer was too weak to walk. यहाँ पे हमने could not लगा के नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट इज she always on time. इसका हम लिख सकते हैं that she is never late. Very simple one. She is never late. With adding never, this sentence converts into negative one. Next, we are having F1, that is, the intruder was foolish to let Jared go. I think this is from last chapter of Beehive. Yeah. So the answer will be the intruder was not wise to let Jared, Gerard, or you can say go. The intruder was not wise to let Gerard go. Okay. Second part is, let us look at the sentence given below. I am glad you are pleased to see me. Here too is infinite form of verb. As some words are given in this box, we have to use them which are suitable in the given sentences, and we have to use infinite verb, that is to. Okay, so choose the words from the box and complete the sentences given below by using infinite form of verb. First is, before we begin, I would like you dash my place. I would like you to. Here to is infinite verb, to stay at. Here we are using at because there are two persons in this sentence and we have to use one verb in before my to and before stay to. Okay, so here we are using to, that is infinite verb, and at is suitable according to sentence. Are you getting my point, what I want to say? So with this our stay is done. Next is, I will be glad dash you. I will be glad to help. Infinite verb. Okay, here to is infinite verb and we have taken this help from the given box. Okay. Next is C1, you mean dash with me. To team up. Here we are using to as infinite verb and team up from the upper box. That is here. So with this we have used last three words of the box, and you have to choose these words according to sentence which are suitable in sentence. Okay. Next, D1, but are you sure it's going dash you. We are going to use to firstly as infinite verb to change. Next is E. Those are just the things I want. To fawn up. Next is F. Be willing to make sacrifices in order dash out there. In order to assist out there. In order, just a second. To assist, you are going to write. Here we are done with, just a second. So we are done with stay, team up, help, to change, fawn up, that is first one, to assist, that is assist. Now two are left, that is clear off and pay. That is clear off and pay. Let's settle them according to sentence. Anju asked Harmat dash rupees 100 to avoid a scene. To clear off or to pay. What is suitable according to sentence? That is pay. So to pay. To pay, small t, because these are in between of the sentence. Next, well, well, tell him directly. Well, tell him directly. Well, tell him to clear off directly. To clear off directly. So with this, our second part of grammar is completed, and the grammar part is consist of two parts which are completed. Let's begin with editing part. Some words are missing in the passage given below. Indicate by slash. Rewrite the passage by providing the missing words and using appropriate punctuation marks in the space provided. What we have to do is very simple. We have to add some words where the slash is provided and correct some like capital words into small letters and small into capital letters. And somewhere we have to add like full stop. Okay. So let's begin. First, there is space provided, slash is provided between is and fictional. We are going to add a in between them. That will be Sherlock Holmes is a fictional. Okay. Next space is provided. Next space is provided between created and British. We are going to add after the in between them. Okay. After the in between them. The sentence will be the first scientific detective created after the British author. Okay. Next, there will be correction like correcting these letters into capitals. As you can see, we are going to convert small a into capital A, then small c into capital C. I'm not going to write that here because otherwise it will be confusing for you. And small d into capital D. Okay. Small d into capital D. Next, we are next space is provided between science and logical reasoning. There will be and. ओके ऐसे नंबरिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ही है. फर्स्ट स्लैश प्रोवाइडर थी, उसके बिटवीन आएगा ए आफ्टर दी एंड. यू आर गोइंग टू हाईलाइट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज 161. ओके. Next space is provided between for wide. You're going to add a in between them. Okay. A in between them. It's visible to you. Next is, wait, let me rub this. ये तो आपको पता लग ही गया. इनमें A, C और D कैपिटल करनी है. नेक्स्ट हमारा ये भी हो गया. यहाँ पे हमें एंड ऐड करना है. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे हमें ए ऐड करने. नेक्स्ट देयर विल बी करेक्शन ऑफ इन दी, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, इन दी बिफोर इन दी. here we are going to convert this small v into capital V and this small e into capital E. Okay. Next we are going to correct he capital H because new sentence is beginning. Next space is provided between biographer and usually. We are going to add who. Okay, we're going to add here who. Next is we are going to convert the small l into capital L. Okay. सो बाकी आपको पता लग गया. यहाँ इस पेज पे 7, आई थिंक 7 ही है, या 4 5 6 7 स्लैश प्रोवाइडेड है. आप देख लेना, ऐसे सीक्वेंस वाइज ही मैंने लिखा हुआ है. वहाँ पे हमें ये ऐड करना है. एंड हमने मतलब कन्वर्ट इनको कैपिटल में किया. देन हमने इन दो वर्ड्स को कैपिटल ई इन वी में कन्वर्ट किया. एंड देन वी कन्वर्ट दिस small l into capital L. And in next passage there is 7th one, that is last one on this page. Sherlock Holmes is arguably at best. इनके बीच में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? and we are going to convert this small g, just a second, the small g into capital G. Let's begin with page number 161. That is here. Okay. So first word which we are going to add is in between stage and radio, that is and we are going to add in between them. Next word we are going to add is between character and a real individual. We are going to add but in between. Sorry, मेरा लिखने वाला रह गया था but. Okay. उनके बीच में हम but ऐड करेंगे. I'm going to write it here. उनके बीच हम बट ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉपुलैरिटी एंड फेम के बीच में हम एंड ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट हम यहाँ पे ये जो स्मॉल डब्ल्यू है इसे मतलब इसका वो कर देंगे, कैपिटल डब्ल्यू में चेंज कर देंगे इसे. इसकी यहाँ पे है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड हेयर एंड. Next we are going to add here as. Okay, and we are going to convert this capital W into small w, and we are going to convert this small m into capital M. So here is correction of 161 page, and you are going to write the whole passage in this space provided. We are going to do our listening part in next video. Thank you so much for watching.